Beach day. Hey everyone, I'm Memo and welcome to my channel Finding Memo, where you'll find me finding treasure with my trusty metal detector. So we're on a guys beach detecting trip. Me, Sam, son David and Juan of Huerta Detector fame on YouTube. Look at his channel. And we are hitting the beaches here in Guayabitos, Chacala, and anywhere else where we think we might find some good stuff. Oh man, there's my yacht out there. I told him not to park it in the bay. I told him to park it round the other side. I guess they didn't listen. We got our first coin of the day. It looks like 2 pesos. Look at this. We're off to a good start. So we are pulling out the coins, 1s and 2s mainly, and they've been there a while. Some of these are really worn. This one's not too worn. I've got a couple of ones that are worn, so it's deep stuff, and we could be onto some real treasure today. These guys are doing the palm thatched roof for the palapas. Mixing that up. Just string it all together, and it ends up like that, waterproof. First good high signal of the day. It's a bit choppy, but it's right up there. I think it might be 10 pesos. Hopefully it is. Let's see what we got. Well, we got it out straight away. It's a bit choppy for 10 pesos unless it's a really old one. Let's have a look. Hope it's not a bottle cap. Could be though. Come on, where are you? It's somewhere around here. Yeah, I just felt something. Where did it go? Ah, wire. Okay, we got a great signal here. Silver Range. Took a scoop out. It was high, but not that high. Took a scoop out. It's dropped back down. It's probably 10 pesos then. Let's have a look. Keep my hopes up though for a ring, you never know. Tell me if you see anything shiny. Where is it? Oh no, it's a Caribe cooler. Well, that's how it goes, I guess, sometimes. Okay, looks like we got a fish and wait. That's the first one of the trip for me. Little sucker too. That'd be 2 pounds. Imagine it's 2. Yeah, it's 2 pounds. There we go. Got us a little ring. It's not gold or silver, so it's rusted a bit, but definitely a ring. So we're on the board today with the rings. Can't find anything else. Still ain't found gold. Okay, we've got a 63 there. What's it gonna be? Coin or junk? Ah, junk. The Caribe Cooler lid. Sun's definitely kicked in now. It's toasty. Just got us a little coin spill here. There's 2 coins right there. No, it's not. It was the imprint. I thought we had 2 10s then. It was 1 and the imprint. Well, let me check the hole anyway. There's another 10 pesos. Yeah, I'm checking the hole and it's definitely something else. Maybe another 10 pesos or maybe something better still. So that's ringing really high. It's deep too. Come on, let's have a ring. Let's have a ring. Let's drop down again now, the tone. Let's see. At least 10 pesos, I imagine. Yeah, just felt it. There we go. It was a coin spill then after all. That's gonna do it for this beach. Gonna go home, get some food in us, have a bit of a rest, and then head out to the Guayabitos beach this evening and detect there. Stay tuned. Okay, here we are. Guayabitos is gonna be evening night detection. We're just gonna we're saying we're gonna go until we find gold. I don't know if that'll actually happen. So we can't be here till too late. But we're definitely going to give it our best shot. So stay tuned. Okay, let's go down and have a look here. I've just scooped something out, but I've not seen it yet. So we got a coin. Ahaha, 10 pesos. Right there. Good. The stuff's here then. I'm finding bits and bats. I think we're in a good patch at the moment. Okay, we got an absolute screamer down here. 64. Oops, better turn the pinpoint on. I'm not going to get anything, am I? It's over here somewhere. Something there. That looks like we've got a bit of jewellery or something. See that? Let's go down and have a closer look. Triangle or something, a badge. Yeah, very heavy, so I don't think it's silver. It's corroded. Something on that up. Yeah, have a look at the house. And now there you go. Okay, we have a silver signal. Let's dig it and see what kind of ring we've got. I hope it is. Still in there. It's a deep one. And it's out. Oh, it went down on me, the tone. And I think I just saw it. I think it's another can lid. It is. Oh no, it's a bottle lid. Oh, I'm sure that was going to be silver. Okay, let's keep going. We've got us a snake on the beach. You can even see that in the camera. There it is.
know what kind that is, so I'm not going to get too close. I don't know which way it's trying to go. Whoa, and he's off. Okay, we got what appears to be a tiny little ring. I'm not sure if that's like a key ring or an earring, but something else. It's copper. So let's have a look around here, slow down a bit, maybe we'll find something else. Okay, let's give this a live dig. I think that's probably going to be 10 pesos. Let's have a look. That's a nice sound, is that? And we've got a ring. It's out, whatever it is. Let's have a look. Pointer. And here we go. Haha, 10 pesos. Pops right out. There we go. Now you're talking. That is definitely a ring, no doubt about that. It's one of those aluminium ones though, not silver. I don't think, unless it's really thin silver. It's not very heavy. You can check it at the house though, and see if it's got any markings. It feels really light to me, but it's a ring. Well, look what we just pulled out of there. Somebody's keys, and it's various. Oh, somebody's not getting into their house tonight unless they're going through the window. Three door keys, that, or 3 locks, some kind. Okay, well, we'll hang on to them and we'll keep detecting. Okay, we got another good signal. Let's give that a dig. I think we got it out on the first try. Yep, it's just down here somewhere. What we got? We got Urzi, 1 cent. US. There we go. So we called to Dave, and he says he's been doing good on the coins. And I think he's probably right. Oh, and he's got a ring. He's got himself a ring. Silver, I can tell now by the weight.
And it looks like it's got probably real diamonds all on the side.
Nice. Nice silver ring for Dave.
We thought that was a ring, but it's not. I don't think so, unless if it's really rusted. It could be.
Could be.
This one could be Chapa de Oro, but I'm not sure.
Another ring. Holy smokes, it was his turn tonight.
Then just normal 10s and
some nail clippers.
Bunch of normal
coins. Wow, he's done good.
Oh, yeah.
Take a closer look at this one at home too. Nice. Just right here.
All of
go?
those, I went past that big white building, the really tall one, a little past it. And then I've just been going up and down, like within where I can see my steps, up and down the whole beach. It's taken me forever, but
cool.
We got some good stuff, so it was worth it.
I just pulled something out here that's shiny. I can't see what it is, so let's go down and give it a rinse off and see if I can reveal what it actually is. Kind of jewelry or something. little animal. Is it a turtle or something? I think it might be some kind of turtle. See that? So without the low light, take a closer look at that, the house too. It is 10:30 at night and the beach is deserted and we have got a silver signal. Might be junk, but I've got to dig that live. Let's see what we got. So, we moved it. What on earth could that be? Come on, ring, come on, ring. Let's see. Let's see what we got. It's right there, whatever it is. Oh, it is $1. Okay, wasn't expecting that. Is that American or Canadian? It's American. American dollar. Oh, take that. Nice. And I'm going to keep going. The guys are over there in the wet. I'm going to do the dry. So this is a quick look at what we got on the beach. Plenty of coins in the morning and especially in the evening and the night. I think there's I think I count 140 pesos, something like that there. We got the fishing weight, this cute little ring, and we found this aluminium ring at night. We've got $1, a few other bits and bats. This is not a turtle, it is a wolf. A wolf's head there, can you see that? It looks like it went to a bracelet or something like that. And we've got some buttons, carabiner, keys, and some junk stuff down here. This is Juan's haul for the beach. He's got 200 and some pesos here. Got some silver pieces, some nice silver pieces. This is a really nice ring. Silver ring there. And this has also got a silver bezel on it and clasp. It's really nice. Pendant. This religious pendant is also silver. And he got himself a saint like Sam. And some saints from the US and some other bits and bats. All in all, not too bad of a day detecting. Hope you've enjoyed this adventure. Stay tuned for more great videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And go ahead, leave us a comment, why not? And as always, we'll catch you on the next one.